the silent workhorse of your body, understanding your liver's critical role, the secret to long-term health you might be overlooking. Imagine this: you wake up feeling tired despite a full night's sleep, or you've noticed some unwanted weight creeping up around your waist, even though you're eating healthier than ever. You may be focusing on diet and exercise, but there's one organ quietly working behind the scenes that could be the real culprit: your liver. That's right, the liver, which filters toxins, produces vital proteins, and supports your metabolism, is one of the hardest working organs in your body. And yet, it's often taken for granted until something goes wrong. What if I told you that this silent workhorse could be at risk of failing if you don't give it the attention it deserves? Fatty liver disease, a growing epidemic in the US, is often linked to overeating and poor lifestyle choices, but it doesn't have to be a life sentence. In this video, we're going to talk about why it's time to protect your liver, how to recognize early signs of liver stress, and most importantly, what simple changes you can make starting today to support liver health. Stick with me because your liver health might just be the key to feeling better, having more energy, and improving your overall well-being. The liver's essential functions, why it's so critical to your health. The liver is often underestimated, but this powerhouse organ is central to maintaining your overall health. Here are just a few of the vital functions it performs. Detoxification. Your liver acts as a filter, removing harmful toxins, waste, and byproducts from your blood. Digestive health. It produces bile, which is essential for breaking down fats from the foods you eat, ensuring better digestion and nutrient absorption. Metabolism regulation. The liver helps regulate blood sugar levels by storing and releasing glucose, ensuring that your body has a constant energy supply. Protein production. Your liver produces proteins that are vital for functions such as blood clotting and maintaining healthy blood vessels. Immune support. It helps your body fight infections by filtering out pathogens and supporting your immune system. Without a healthy liver, your body simply cannot perform optimally. And when liver function begins to decline, it often leads to issues like fatigue, digestive problems, and even serious conditions like fatty liver disease. Fatty liver disease, the growing epidemic you can avoid. Fatty liver disease is a serious condition, and it's happening to more people than ever before. It occurs when excess fat builds up in liver cells, interfering with its ability to detoxify your body and carry out its essential functions. And here's the kicker: it's not just people who drink alcohol excessively who are at risk. In fact, non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, has become one of the leading causes of liver damage in the United States, largely due to poor dietary habits, lack of exercise, and stress. But don't panic just yet. The good news is that fatty liver disease can be prevented and reversed with the right lifestyle changes. That's where you come in. With the right steps, you can protect your liver and ensure it continues to do its job for many years to come. Let's take a closer look at why your liver might be storing excess fat and how this impacts its ability to function. How fat accumulates in the liver, the role of your diet and lifestyle. The process starts when you consume more calories than your body needs. If you're constantly overeating or eating foods high in sugar, processed fats, or refined carbohydrates, your body has nowhere to store that excess energy except in fat cells. Over time, these fat cells start to overflow, and fat starts accumulating around your internal organs, including the liver. While fat under your skin, subcutaneous fat, is often visible and less harmful, visceral fat, which surrounds your internal organs, is a different story. This type of fat is more dangerous because it can lead to inflammation, insulin resistance, and a greater risk of developing liver issues like fatty liver. One of the key factors contributing to fatty liver disease is the growing consumption of processed foods and sugary drinks. These foods not only contribute to weight gain, but can also overload the liver with excess fat. But here's where the silver lining lies. If you've already started accumulating fat in your liver, don't worry, there are ways to help reverse it. What you can do to protect your liver: simple steps for big results. Protecting your liver doesn't require drastic changes overnight. Small, sustainable adjustments can make a huge difference over time. Here are some actionable steps you can start today to support your liver. 1. Adopt a liver-friendly diet. Start incorporating more whole foods like leafy greens, berries, avocados, and nuts into your meals. These foods are packed with antioxidants and healthy fats that support liver detoxification and help reduce the burden on your liver. Example, start your day with a green smoothie that includes spinach, chia seeds, and a handful of berries. Not only will this support your liver, but it will also fuel you with energy for the day ahead. Stay active. Physical activity is key to reducing excess fat around your organs, including the liver. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise every day, whether it's brisk walking, cycling, or swimming. Exercise helps burn fat, improves insulin sensitivity, and boosts your metabolism. Example, if you don't have time for a full workout, take a brisk walk after dinner. It's a simple way to improve digestion and support your liver without overexerting yourself. Hydrate with liver detoxing drinks. Certain beverages can help support liver health. Green tea, coffee, and watermelon juice are particularly beneficial. Green tea is packed with catechins, which help activate brown fat to burn white fat. Coffee contains chlorogenic acid, which supports liver detoxification, while watermelon juice is rich in lycopene, an antioxidant that helps break down fat. Example, try swapping your afternoon soda with a refreshing glass of iced green tea. Not only will you get a metabolism boost, but you'll also be aiding your liver in fat breakdown. Cut down on alcohol. Alcohol is one of the primary contributors to liver damage. It's okay to indulge occasionally, but regular excessive consumption leads to liver inflammation and fat accumulation. Example, limit your alcohol intake to 1 or 2 drinks per week, and consider alcohol-free alternatives like sparkling water or herbal teas. Prioritize sleep and manage stress. Stress and poor sleep habits can exacerbate liver issues. The liver detoxifies and regenerates when you sleep, so ensure you get 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Practice stress-reducing activities like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises. Example, before bed, spend 10 minutes practicing deep breathing or listening to calming music. This will help reduce stress and promote better liver function. Conclusion, protecting your liver starts today. Your liver is a vital organ that works tirelessly to keep your body in balance. Yet, it's often overlooked until problems arise. The good news is that with the right steps such as eating a liver-friendly diet, staying active, drinking detoxifying beverages, and prioritizing self-care, you can protect and rejuvenate your liver. The key takeaway here is that liver health doesn't have to be complicated. By making simple lifestyle changes, you can dramatically improve the health of your liver, prevent fatty liver disease, and reduce your risk of developing serious liver conditions. Remember, your liver is resilient. It can regenerate and heal, but it needs your help. So, start today. Make small changes, stay consistent, and give your liver the care it deserves. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll dive deeper into the specific drinks and foods that support liver detox and share more practical tips to keep your liver in top shape. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit subscribe and ring the bell for more expert tips on health and wellness. You won't want to miss out on the next video that will help you lead a healthier life. Feel inspired. Share this video with someone who could benefit from these tips. And remember, your liver's health is your responsibility. Let's take action together.